Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start now, power the phone off and remove the SIM tray so nothing shorts. Lay an ESD mat, then heat the screen edges briefly to soften adhesive, about 45-60 seconds with a heat pad or hair dryer. Once warm, attach a suction cup near the corner and lift just enough to insert a thin pick. Make small, controlled cuts along the perimeter. Do not pry deep. If screws are visible, remove them with the correct driver before continuing, and keep parts organized. Once you have an opening, remove any visible brackets that secure flex cables. Use a magnetic tray and label screws so sizes stay clear. Carefully disconnect the display and digitizer cables by lifting connectors straight up. Do not pry at an angle. Lift the display assembly slightly to access the home/sensor flex. Support the panel so cables don't tear. Clean remaining adhesive with isopropyl and a plastic tool. Now attach the replacement screen connectors to confirm the display and touch respond before final sealing. Once the new screen works during the test, remove it, apply pre-cut adhesive or thin adhesive strips to the frame, then align the panel and press the edges firmly and evenly to bond. Reinstall all brackets and screws in the reverse order you removed them, replace the SIM tray, and power on. Run a full test. Touch, sensors, cameras, and proximity. If touch or display fails, power off, reopen, and reseat connectors. Clean any visible debris or adhesive from contacts and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.